We don't see any adjustment here from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom. Hey, it's Kevin Amolsch, Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. Hey, you found us here on Facebook, you found us here on YouTube. Please hit like, hit subscribe. We're trying to build a network, a channel to help more real estate investors just like you. The way we do that is if you're hitting subscribe to the channel, more people are going to be interested in the channel, and then hopefully they'll view it and then also subscribe. So please help me out, hit subscribe. I recently taught a class on property valuation, how to get to your ARV, your after repaired value. And every time I teach this class or a class similar to this, I always get a lot of questions about a few of the topics. So I wanted to shoot a quick video, a series of them. I'm actually going to shoot 3 separate videos on how to value real estate, how to get to that ARV and try to avoid a lot of the mistakes people make, investors make, especially the newer investors. So let's go through, I'm going to share my screen here. So hopefully you can see this screen here, property valuation. This is our handout that we use for the class. And I'm going to scroll down here and just go through this real quick comp grid. So if you're looking at an appraisal, you have this first column right here is going to be all the adjustments that you're going to have. You're going to have your subject property and all the details or specs on the subject. And then you're going to have comp 1, comp 2, and comp 3. So I just wanted to kind of lay out this grid for you so you could see how appraisers and how you as a real estate investor should be looking at your property valuations. Now, we all know that we have to pull good comparable sales to come up with the value. So we use comps in the neighborhood. But what I think people get tripped up on is they start comparing an apple to an orange. You have your subject property compared to another comp, and maybe it's a little bit different, but we're using that comp to value our property without any adjustments. Now, adjustments help turn that apple or that orange, let's say, into an apple. So you're comparing an apple to an apple. I know that's confusing, but let's say your subject property is smaller than your comparable. Well, you need to bring the value of the comparable down to be equal in the size. So there's adjustments that we need to make when we're valuing real estate. And one of the biggest mistakes people make, and this is not across the board, but valuing bedrooms. So you typically hear like, hey, I got a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. So I'm going to compare it to this one, but this one's 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. So the comp is worth more. So we got to bring it down, for example. Let me tell you, that is not true. Usually, I want to be very clear here, not always, usually the bedroom counts don't matter in valuation. That difference is usually captured in a size adjustment. So let's say a 4-bedroom compared to a 3-bedroom. Typically, the 4-bedroom is a little bit larger in size. So you're adjusting for the square footage different, not the bedroom itself. And I'm going to show that to you here. If we're going back to our comp grid, you see the subject property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, okay, 1,297 square feet. If we go over here to comp 1, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you can see here the 0, that's an adjustment for bedrooms and bathrooms. We don't see any adjustment here from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom. Same thing over here, 4-bedroom compared to a 3-bedroom, no adjustment. These adjustments here are for the size of the unit, not the bedrooms. And come down here to another appraisal, completely separate appraisal. We have a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom compared to a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, no adjustment. 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, no adjustment. Come down here to a third example, just so I could drive this point home. 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms compared to a 2-bedroom, 1.5, no adjustments. Compared to a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, we finally see an adjustment. This adjustment, ladies and gentlemen, is not for that bedroom. This is because we're a 1.5 bath going to a 2-bath. Okay, so that's $5,000. This property is worth more than the subject. So we have to adjust down $5,000 for the half bath. Further evidence, 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the subject compared to 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. So same bathroom count, 1 bedroom larger, no adjustment. No adjustment for that bedroom. I just want to get the point across to be very careful with your bedroom count adjustments. 3 bedrooms to a 2 bedroom or 3 bedrooms to a 4 bedroom. We don't typically see value changes with those. That's again valued in the square footage adjustment. There are exceptions. I've seen, 2-bedroom neighborhoods with a 1-bedroom home, and adding that second bedroom without adding any square footage really increase the value. So you will see that occasionally. But in general, I'd be careful not to adjust for size and bedrooms. That's one way that you could miss on your ARV valuation. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of people disagree with me on this one, but I just showed you proof in 3 different appraisals from 3 different appraisers, no adjustments for the bedroom. So let me know what you think. Leave me some comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We love our viewers. We love the subscribers. You could check us out at Pine Financial